In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make $1,400 or more a day simply by reselling done-for-you digital products in the e-learning industry. Okay, so this is a done-for-you business in a box, which means you don't have to create anything. Everything's already created for you. All you got to do is set up your business and basically promote your business. Okay, so if you're new here, my name is Dan. I'm from Michigan. I used to be a monk. That's why I'm known as a seven-figure monk. And I help people make money online in the digital marketing space. I'm on a mission to help 1,000 people become millionaires. Like I want to create 1,000 self-made millionaires, help 1,000 people make $1 million online without having to work a job. So if you want to be one of those people, you're welcome to, join this movement, join this program, join and start learning these skills basically. Okay. So I found this, I discovered this business last year, 2024, after like I was just sick and tired of being overworked and underpaid. My company cut my pay in half, and I saw like there's no way I'm ever going to get rich at my job. Okay, it's never going to happen. So I want to be rich. I want to live a life of freedom. So I discovered this business in 2024, and I've made multiple five figures since then, thousands of dollars, simply by following the blueprint, simply what we teach inside of our blueprint, inside of our program, and inside of our community. Okay, so to do this business, all you need is Wi-Fi. You just need your phone. You just need 2 hours a day. You don't need tech skills. You don't need a following, and you don't need any experience because we show you how to do everything step by step. So all you got to do is just get started with your business, set it up, which you can set up in 1 to 2 days, and then plug into our community for training and support. And then you're just following a 2 hour workday. So basically, every day you post 3 pieces of content to social media. Okay. 3 pieces of content a day. You can also go live and you can also copy and paste free ads, right? So what do I do every day? I post at least pieces of content. That's like minimum, and I go live at least once. That's mainly what I do. Okay, and then I reply to messages, I reply to emails, and I go through some training inside of our program. That's all I do to build my business, and that's what most people inside of our community do. Even people that have made multiple six figures, even multiple seven figures, people just they post content and they go live, and it's called attraction marketing. Okay, so you don't have to pay for ads, you don't have to bother your friends and family, you don't have to cold message strangers. You post content on social media, you attract people, you build your email list, and then the automations do the rest of the work for you. So if you want to learn more about this business, or if you want to get started, go to sevenfiguremonk.com. The link's in my description. Okay, and I'm just going to share with you how this business looks, how it works, how to set it up. I'm going to show you inside of the community. I'm going to share wins from inside of the community. And plus, I'm going to show you like how I post content on YouTube to build my business. Okay. So let me share my screen real fast. Let me get here. Yeah. Okay. One sec. Here it is. Okay. So that's my YouTube channel. So I'm going to break down how this business works. So like I said, this is a done for you digital business. You're going to get a sales funnel. It's going to look just like this. Now you can edit this sales funnel however you want, but this is basically what the sales funnel is going to look like. Okay. So you have a capture page, right? So people go to your link. Like if you go to sevenfiguremonk.com, it's going to take you here. You're going to see this. It's called the capture page. Okay. People put their email in. So you're building your email list. You're going to be learning email marketing, right? Which is very simple. Trust me, this whole business is very simple to do. It's not complicated. It really isn't. Once you get used to it after like a week or two, it's very simple. So people go here, they put their email in, right? And then they're going to go through your sales funnel, okay? They're going to watch videos from my friend and mentor Michelle. Now she does daily trainings inside of our community, plus she does weekly live interactive training calls. She's made $10 million in 3 years, over $10 million, okay? So she's doing the selling for you. Like you don't have to do any selling because these videos are doing the selling for you. Plus the wins from our community on the page, right? And then all people do is like they'll just click on this button, and then what happens? Look, it takes them to your website, okay? So here's another video we sent out in people's emails. So there's 2 videos. So 2 videos from a self-made millionaire is selling the products for you, right? That's amazing. That means you don't have to worry about doing the selling because your sales funnel is doing the selling, okay? This is a rejection-free business. And then again, like if they're ready to get started, they'll click on the button and it'll take them to the website. You see how it works? They put their email in, they watch videos, they go to your website, and this is how we make money, okay? Like they go here and they buy one of the products. We promote digital programs in the e-learning industry, right? So look, they go here, they check out, they purchase the product, and every time they purchase a product, you get to keep 100% of the profit. Unlock 10 income streams today, earn 100% profit from a done for you digital business. So here's the 10 different income streams, right? You can make 100. So the Launchpad 100, Passive Daily Pay Blueprint 300, the Digital Mastery is 600, the Legacy Builders program is 900, and the Legacy Builders bundle pack is 1400. Okay. It's in English and it's in Spanish. So you can get English speaking customers and Spanish speaking customers. Look, right? Like I can switch my website from English to Spanish. Okay. So you have more people to you have more people to sell these products to, right? So I'm just going to show you what this website looks like a little bit. Just go to sevenfiguremonk.com and you can see this is already created for you. I use this exact same website. Okay, how would an extra $1,400 change your life? That's $42,000 a month and $511,000 a year. Of course, results aren't typical. It's based on your effort, so don't be typical, right? If you play small, you'll get small results. So play big. You got to go all in every single day. Go all in with your life like you mean it. There's another video of a millionaire doing the selling for you. That's 3 videos of a millionaire doing the selling for you. That's amazing. Instead of you trying to sell yourself, the millionaire is doing the selling for you. There's 56,000 members in our community. We did $29 million in sales in 10 months. We teach you how to get your first sale in 7 days. You keep 100% of the profit, plus you become a licensed reseller of these programs, digital programs in the e-learning industry, education, information, training. These programs teach you how to make 7 figures online, how to build multiple streams of income so you can live a life of freedom. That's what these programs teach. Okay, so there's a little certification training you can go through. Okay, now our program used to be only in English. Now it's in Spanish. There's 42 million people in the U.S. that speak Spanish. It's the second most spoken language in the world. Okay, so there you go. So it's English and Spanish. Then we teach you how to use AI to build your business. Okay, and then we have testimonies on the website. And here, like, see, this is what's different about my website and your website. My website is branded to me. That's why I have my pictures in my bio. And your website will be branded to you. You will have your pictures in your bio. Okay. And you can edit the whole website in the sales funnel. If you want to edit things, you can do that. But I wouldn't change it because if it's not broke, don't fix it. This is already proven to sell. It's already proven to convert. Okay. So this is what the website looks like. Why is this perfect for you? Why is this business perfect for you? Because if you want to make some extra income from home but don't know where to start, you want financial security, you want to work from anywhere, you're tired of trading time for money at a job that you don't even like. 80% of people don't even like their jobs, okay? You want a proven system that works. This is proven. I've made thousands. Other people have made multiple 6 figures, even multiple 7 figures. So it's already proven to work. It's already proven to sell, okay? You want more time to travel, time for hobbies, time for people that you care about. You want to grow a business at your own pace. You want something that's step by step, and this is for you, okay? Yep. Why is this business model? This business model is better than other business models because we earn 100% profit per sale. Other business models only earn like 10 to 30% profit, okay? More testimonials from people in our community, okay? And then you also, so here we go. So someone goes to your website and they can purchase the $1,400, the $900, they can purchase the $600, the $300, or the $100, right? So if you want to get started with this program, you also have to invest and you also have to purchase one of the programs, just like I also invested, right? I started with the 900 because that was our top selling product. We launched that in 2024. But recently we upgraded to the bundle pack. Now we have a $1,400 product. And we've had that for a couple weeks now. I've made one sale at the 1400. I've made many sales at the 900. Okay, and I've made sales at every level. And I didn't make the sales. My website made the sales for me. So like if you or your customers, keep in mind, if you or your customers want to get started with this business, all they have to do is purchase a program. 100, 300, 600, 900, or 1400. If you get 1400, you get all income streams. If you get the 900, you get 4. If you get the 600, you get 3. And if you get the 300, you get 2, and the 100, you get 1. So let's say you purchase the 100. You can only earn at that level. Okay, so you can only earn $100 commissions, but you can upgrade later. You can upgrade at any time. Okay, so start at whatever level that you feel is like the best fit for you. Start there. Whatever's in like most aligned to your goals and your dreams. Start there. But I feel like it's best to start at the top. It's best to go all in because that's just. I mean, I think you're just going to take the business more seriously if you just go all in. So I would start at the highest level that you can possibly start at. Like just like me, I started at the 900 because it's just better to go all in. That's just my personal experience. So and you also get these bonuses, like you get access to our community for free. It's value, it's a priceless value. You get mentoring from 6 and 7 figure income earners, you get training, you get support, you get these other bonuses. Okay, you get thousands of dollars worth of bonuses. You get to learn how to create your own communities and monetize them. Canva crash course for creating content. My first million in 17 months blueprint. Okay. You get a 30-day market strategy, PDF growth plan. You get your invisible empire faceless marketing. You get 200 digital product ideas, thousands of dollars worth of bonuses. Okay. And then there's more testimonies, and that's basically what the website looks like. And there's also frequently asked questions. Yeah. So that's the website. Okay. Now let's say you're ready. Let's say you made a decision to change your life and you decided to start this business. So you purchase one of the programs, you pay your website fee, and then you're going to have access, okay, to your program, which is somewhere else because I deleted it accidentally. So let me find it again. Yeah, here we go. Yeah. So here's like you're going to have access to your program, your product, right? So you go inside, and these programs, like I said, they teach you how to make 7 figures online. They teach you how to build multiple streams of income. That's what the program itself does. That's what you're learning from, and you're reselling if you want to resell it. So there's two types of buyers. There's people that just want to learn what these programs have to teach. And then there's people that want to learn what these programs have to teach, and they want to resell them and make money. Okay, so there's two types of buyers, basically. So So you just go through the program around your schedule, right? You just watch all these videos like phase 1, foundation, CEO, mindset and clarity. Phase 2, attraction, get attention, build awareness. Phase 3, engagement, turning attention into connection so people move closer to buying. Stage 4, conversion, monetization through automation. Stage 5, leveraging AI. Learn how to leverage AI to streamline your content and creation and business. Phase 6, monetize and multiply, focus beyond one stream, build wealth, impact, and legacy. Okay, and then there's always more trainings added. Okay, and then you can watch the replay calls of the mentoring calls, the millionaire mentoring calls. So that's your program. And then if you go here, then you have your certification training, you have your bonuses, and then you got to set up your website. So one of the first things you need to do when you start this business is you got to get your website set up. Okay. So you just go to your website setup and you just follow the steps, right? You're setting up you're setting up the sales funnel and you're setting up the website. Okay. That's what you're setting up. You're setting up your system, right? So like one of the first things you got to do is go to GoDaddy. You need a professional domain. Like my domain is 7figuremonk.com. That's my professional domain. You need one of those. Okay. And then you got to set up your payment gateways like PayPal, Stripe, Square. You got to connect it to your system. We show you how to do that because the payments are going directly to you. You're not getting paid from a company. The payments are going directly to you through your website. Okay. And then you just watch the rest of the videos. You just got to connect your system. Basically, you watch these videos and you copy and paste your information in. That's how you set up these pages. So then you set it up, you test it, you make sure it's working, and then you're ready to go. Okay. And that's that. So I showed you the program. I showed you where your products are. I showed you how to set up your website. Okay. Now the next thing is I'll show you the community, right? So here's our community. This is where you get all the training, the mentoring, the support. So we have 56,000 people in our community, over 56,000. So you go here, you can introduce yourself, post your wins, ask questions. Okay, now let's go to the win section. I'll show you proof that people are making money by reselling these products. Okay, so boom, $300 while hanging out with my wife. I love this program. Okay, $300, guys. Boom. There's five different products. There's 5 different streams. 100, 300, 600, 900, or 1400. Okay. So keep that in mind. $8,000 on a Monday. Okay. I mean, sorry, $1,000 Monday morning. She made $1,000 on a Monday morning, guys. That's awesome. I mean, how would you feel if you made $1,000 on a Monday morning from a business that you built yourself? Okay. So results are based on your actions, but that means you're the one building this business. You're the one building your dream. Instead of building someone else's dream, like a job, instead of building your boss's dream, you're building your dream. Okay. That's the difference. You can be an employee and make other people rich, or you can be an entrepreneur and build a business like this and make yourself rich. Both are choices. $600 after my live. Okay. That's part of our 2-hour workday. You post content or go live. You share the business. Okay. $600 again. Here's another one. Boom. See, there's your proof. Here's another $600 sale. $600 sale without effort nor working long hours, because the automations are doing most of the work for you. That's why. Okay. So there's 30 posts on each page and there's 30,000 pages of wins. So we have a lot of proof. So there's your proof. People are making money. Okay. It's true. It's happening. Now you can decide to make money or you can watch other people make money. That's just a choice too. And then inside of our classroom, we have more trainings like getting started here. You can watch mindset trainings, social media trainings, content vault, 6 figures in 6 months, mentoring Zoom replays. If you can't attend a live Zoom, a live mentoring call, you can watch the replay. And then if the calendar shows you our next events. Okay, so we have millionaire mentoring that we had today. That's over, and then we have these other events that you can attend. Okay, and yeah, that's it. I showed you the community. So, like I said, if you want to get started with this business, just go to sevenfiguremonk.com. The link is in the description. You purchase one of the programs, and then once you purchase a program, you're going to have access to your program and you're going to have access to the community. So, plug into the community, introduce yourself, set up your business, okay, like I showed you, and then you're following the 2-hour workday, right? And this is what we teach. We teach attraction marketing, free strategies. Post 3 pieces of content a day to social media, go live, or post free ads, okay? So I'm going to show you like how I post content on YouTube to attract customers and build my business, just to give you some ideas, right? And if you have any questions, just drop it in the comments. If you have any questions, because I'm here to help you. Happy to help. Okay, so yeah, let me go to my YouTube channel, right? So like basically my YouTube channel is I use my YouTube channel to build this business, and I might slip some other affiliate offers in there as well because we teach you how to do affiliate marketing as well. But mostly like I'm using this YouTube channel to build this business, okay? Now I have different YouTube channels for different things. I'm also a musician, so like I have YouTube channels for making music, and this channel is just straight up building this business and teaching people how to make money online, right? So I have long form videos, just like this video that I'm making right now. It's a long form video, okay? So I do long form videos like this, and then I do short form videos like this, okay?
But an extra
Now
four.
a short form video is just like a talking video. Like it's a video like it's a minute long or something like that. So either it's a talking video or I'll do like a like a B-roll video. See all these talking videos because they're easy and they're effective. Okay. But I also do these B-roll videos. I haven't done one in a while, so I'm scrolling. Just see all the talking videos I do, right? And then here's a B-roll video. I put like just words on the screen, relatable words using ChatGPT. It helps me create these words. I put the words on the screen, 7-second video of just me doing random things like walking with trending audio. There you go. B-roll videos. Those are effective and they're fun. It's like fun. It's like you're creating your own like little like, it's kind of like your own reality TV show. It's kind of cool. And you're building a business this way. So I build a business by taking videos, taking selfies, and that's it. That's how I build my business. Honestly, taking videos, posting selfies, posting pictures, that's how I build my business, my friends. Okay? That's how most of us build our business. So that's all you got to do. Then my live videos are saved. And the cool thing about YouTube, also, you can do these written content. Like, okay. So here's just like sometimes I have posts that are about my business. Sometimes I just give people value posts. A value post is just like education, information, tips, motivation, like entertainment. That's a value post. You're not pitching your business whatsoever. Okay. So I do value posts. This is cool. Like I create these little cartoons with AI. Okay, I create these little cartoons of me. I kind of enjoy it. It's fun. You don't have to do all that, but I do it because I think it's cool. Okay, so there you go. There's some examples of content, and that's it. That is it. I've showed you everything. So if you have any questions, drop it in the comments. If you want to get started, just go to sevenfiguremonk.com. Put in your best email. Okay, then you're going to get a PDF from me in the first email. It's going to show you how to make 10K online with digital marketing. There's 2 videos you can watch, and there's also the website and everything. Oh, there's 3 videos you can watch. There's also the website and everything. So watch all the videos, read the website, check out the testimonials, and if you have any questions, just reply to my emails and you can unsubscribe at any time. Okay. So make sure you like this video and make sure you subscribe to the channel and share this video with someone who needs it. If you know someone who's looking for ways, like legitimate ways to make money online and they're struggling and they're overworked, they're underpaid, they're dealing with financial stress, make sure to share this video with them because you can save their life. Okay. So thank you so much for watching and I'll see you on the next video. Have a great day and God bless.